Good morning to everyone. I am Gaurav Gupta. I come back again with a new video. In this session, I have to solve each and every example as well as question of the chapter 12, class 8th. The name of the chapter is what? Exponent and power. I have already discussed its basic rules and laws regarding the exponent and power. Now we have to apply that rules on to solve the question. So look at the question number 1. I am taking example first. So this is what? Our example 1. You have to simplify it. Question number first, part 1. 2 raised to the power negative 3. And you know, if you get any term in terms of exponent and power, and the power is negative, so step 1 is what? You have to make it positive. Now question arises, how we can make it positive? It's very simple. You have to move that term. If that term is present in the numerator part, you have to move it into the denominator. And if the term is present in the denominator, you have to move it into the numerator. Whenever you move the terms, the exponent remains same, but change the sign of the power. It's very simple. If no term is specified in the denominator, you have to take it 1. And if the no term is specified in the numerator, you have to take 1. So to solve, in this term is 2 raised to the power negative 3. If I move in the denominator part, so the exponent remains same and the sign of power gets changed. So there is negative. So we get positive 3. And the no term is specified in the numerator. So you have to take it 1. So the answer is what? 2 raised to the power positive 3. And if I write 3 means positive 3 because the sign is not specified with any term. We have to take it as positive. So I can write it as 1 upon 2 raised to the power 3. And you know, 2 raised to the power 3 means 2 has 3 times. 2 into 2 into 2. So we get 8. So the answer is final 1 by 8. This is the final answer. Now look at the second part of the question. Same is 1 upon 3 raised to the power negative 2. Again the power is negative. So move it into the numerator because here that term is present in the denominator part. So you have to move it on the numerator. So this becomes 3 raised to the power positive 2 because the exponent remains same. The power sign gets changed. So it becomes positive 2. And 1 is as it is. And you know, if we multiply 1 with any number, we get the same number. It means we get 3 raised to the power 2. And you can remove positive sign because no sign is specified. We have to make it as positive. So 3 raised to the power 2. It means 3 has 2 times. 3 into 3. So we get 9. So 9 is our final answer. Please make a note. Now look at the example 2, part 1. Minus 4 raised to the power 5 multiply minus 4 raised to the power minus 10. In this term are in multiplication. So you know about the rules regarding the multiplication rules. In this what we have? Minus 4 minus 4. It means exponents are same and terms are multiplied. So what's the rule? That exponent remains same and power gets add up. So to apply, it's very simple. And these exponents are same, so you have to write exponent is as it is and power will be add. So 5 add with minus 10. So do solve this. Minus 4 raised to the power 5 plus minus 5 minus 10. So we get minus 4 raised to the power 5 minus 10, we get minus 5. Again we get the negative power, so make it positive. So move it into the denominator because it is present in numerator. So whenever it goes to the denominator, the sign of the power gets changed. It becomes positive 5. So this is what? This is our answer. you can further to solve. How we can solve? 1 divided by negative 4 raised to the power positive 5, and positive 5 simply can be written as 5. Now if you find exponent is negative, so you have to check the number of the power. So here power is what? 5. You have to check the power is either even or odd. If you get the power is odd, you have to put the sign before the brackets. And if you get the sign, if you get the power is even, so you can remove the negative sign. In this power is odd, so you have to put negative sign before the term. So we get 1 divided by negative 4 raised to the power 5, and also negative sign never be written into the denominator. It is always written between the numerator and the denominator. So answer is what? Negative 1 by 4 raised to the power 5. You can write this form also, you can write this form also. According to your book answer, you can do match. Now look at the second part. 2 raised to the power 5 divide, and you know how we divide, how we write the divide form. 2 raised to the power 5, this is the symbol for divide, and this is the 2 raised to the power minus 6. And you know, in this again exponent is same, but the terms are in divide form. So what's the rule? Exponents remain same and power gets subtract. So in this what we get? The exponent remains same and power gets subtract. 5 minus 6. So what's the answer? 2 raised to the power 5. Negative negative becomes positive, so it becomes plus 6. So what's the answer? 2 raised to the power 11 is the final answer. Please make a note. Now please read the statement. Example 3. Express 4 raised to the power negative 3 as a power with base 2. Base means exponent. Here the exponent is what? 4, and we have to write in terms of exponent 2. And you know 4 can be written as what? 4 can be written as 2 raised multiply 2, and 2 multiply 2 means 2 raised to the power 2. So now replace 4. So our question is what? 4 raised to the power negative 3. It means what? We have to replace 4. 4 can be written as 2 raised to the power 2. So I am representing 2 raised to the power 2. Now the whole term, this is the term. The whole term has a power minus 3. And you know what's the rule? If an exponent has a power and the whole term has also a power, then power gets multiplied. So we get what? 2 raised to the power 2 multiply minus 3. So we get 2 raised to the power 2 into minus 3, we get minus 6. And if you write the positive power, what we have to do? Move it into the denominator because it is present in numerator. So we get 2 raised to the power 6. So this is what? This is the final answer. So please make a note. Now please read the statement. Example 4. We have to do simplify and write the answer in exponent and power. This is what? 2 raised to the power 5 divide 2 raised to the power 8 multiply 2 raised to the power negative 5. We have to solve first bracket. So please write in the proper format. You can write it as 2 raised to the power 5, and this divide can be written in terms of like this format because this is also the symbol of the division. So this is what? 2 raised to the power 8. Now this is as it is 2 raised to the power negative 5, and you know now the exponent is same and the terms in division form, so the power gets subtracted. So what we will get? We get 2 as the exponent remains same and power gets subtracted. 5 minus 8. And this is what? Multiply 2 raised to the power negative 5. So please make a note. 2 raised to the power 5 minus 8, we get minus 3. Now we do solve the bracket because in the bracket only one term. So we can remove the brackets. So we get here 2 raised to the power negative 5. Now please again look. Now the exponents are same and the terms are in multiply. So what's the rule? Power will be add. So we get exponents remains same and power will be add. Minus 3 minus 5. So we get 2 raised to the power minus 8 and make it in positive power. So we have to move it into the denominator. So we get 1 upon 2 raised to the power 8. This is the final answer. Please make a note. Now please read the statement part 2. Minus 4 raised to the power negative 3 multiply 5 raised to the power negative 3 multiply 5 raised to the power negative 3. Please make a look very carefully. All the exponents are multiplied and power are same. And if you know the rule, if the powers are same and the exponents gets be multiply. This is very simple. So in this word, exponents are different but the powers are same and the terms are in multiply. So what's answer? Exponents gets multiplied. So this is what? Minus 4 multiply 5 multiply 5 and then power remains same. Now what's the answer? Minus 4 into 5 20 and 20 into 5 100. So we get minus 100 raised to the power minus 3. So what's the answer? Please make a note. In this, please make a note. In this, power is also 5 is also negative. So you have to do take it sign negative. So minus 4 into 5 minus 20 into 5 minus 100 and minus becomes positive 100. So we get here positive. Now you have to make it positive power. Move into the denominator part. So we get 100 raised to the power 3. This is the simplest answer. Are you getting my points? Because the negative becomes positive and 4 into 5 20 into 5 100. So we get positive 100. Now look at the second part of the question number 4. 1 upon 8 raised to the power multiply 3 raised to the power negative 3. Because it is in forms of what? Exponent in power. So try to write this as also a exponent and power form. And you know 8 can be written as 2 into 2 into 2. So this can be also be represented as 2 raised to the power 3. It's very simple. So apply this 1 upon 8 and 8 can be written as 2 raised to the power 3 and this is what? 3 raised to the power negative 3. Now solve this. In this, what we have to take? The power is in terms of denominator. If I move it into the numerator part, the sign of the power gets changed. So I am going to move this 2 into the numerator part. So this becomes 2 as it is because the exponent remains same. Power sign will be changed. Here the sign of power is positive 3. It gets negative 3. Multiply 3 raised to the power negative 3. Now please make a look. Here the power is same and the terms are multiplied. So exponents gets multiplied. So what's the answer is? 2 multiply 3. and the power remains same, so minus 3. So what's the answer? 2 multiply 3, 6. 6 raised to the power negative 3. You can make it positive if we move into the denominator part. So this becomes 1 upon 6 raised to the power 3. You can write this form also, or you can write 6 raised to the power 3 means 6 into 6 into 6. You can get answer 1 by 216 also. It's your choice. You can write in this form also, and you can write in this form also. So please make a note. Now please look at the question. Minus 3 raised to the power 4 multiply 5 by 3 raised to the power 4. Again the power is same. So what's the rule? Exponent gets multiplied. So I can write it as exponent is in this case is minus 3 multiply the exponent is 5 by 3 and power remains same. So power should be 4. Now please make a look. These can be cancelled out. 3 ones are 3. 3 ones are 3. So we get what? Minus as it is 1 into 5, 5 and divide by 1 raised to the power 4. And you know 5 divided by 1, 5. So we get minus 5 raised to the power 4. Again check. In this power is even, so the negative sign will be removed. So what's the answer is 5 raised to the power 4. This is the final answer. It's very simple. Please make a note. Now please read the statement. Example number 5. Find m. Minus 3 raised to the power m plus 1 multiply minus 3 raised to the power m. Again please make a note. Minus 3 and minus 3 exponents are same, so power will be add. So what's the answer is negative 3. Exponents will be same and power will be add. Now the power is m plus 1 and this add with plus 5. It's very simple. And this right hand side you have to write as it is minus 3 raised to the power 7. Now we can further solve it. Minus 3 raised to the power m, 1 plus 5 we get 6. So m plus 6 which is equal to minus 3 raised to the power 7. Now please very carefully. If you get an equal sign, so you have to do comparison. In this exponents are same. Here the exponent is negative 3, also the exponent is negative 3. So exponents are same. So power should be also same. So what's the answer is? Here the power m plus 6 is equal to what? 7. When the exponent is same, then power should be same. This is the rule for comparison. So what we have to do? We have to find out m. So I am going to take this 6 on the right hand side. So this becomes 7 minus 6 which is equal to 1. So what's the answer is? M is equal to 1. This is our answer. It's very simple. So please make a note. Now look at the example number 6. 2 by 3 raised to the power minus 2. And you know, if the term exponent in terms of p by q and the sign of power is negative, you can make it is positive very quickly. How it is? Just change the term p by q can be written as q by p, reciprocal. It's very easy. So this can be written as what? You have to do reciprocal the term. So 3 becomes the numerator and 2 becomes the denominator. So the power sign will be changed. So this becomes negative 2. So this becomes positive 2. And you know, this can be written as what? This 2. 3 by 2 raised to the power 2. And you know, 2 is means 3 also comes in 2 times and 2 also comes in 2 times. So 3 into 3 we get 9, and 2 into 2 we get 4. So 9 by 4 is what? It's our answer. It's very easy. Same step you have to do in this. If the power is negative, make it is positive by writing P by Q as a Q by P. So do apply on this also. Here 1 by 3 exponent has a power negative 2. Make it positive by interchanging. Make it 3 by 1. So power gets sign change. Negative 2 becomes positive 2. Same here. I am doing reciprocal. 2 by 1. Again the power sign will be changed. It becomes positive 3. Same here. 1 by 4. Do reciprocal. 4 by 1. The sign will be changed. It becomes positive 2. Now you have to do solve. Now 3 divided by 1, it means 3, and positive 2 can be written as simply 2. Same here, 2 by 1 can be written as 2, and positive 3 simply written as 3, and this is divide, and 4 by 1 again can be written as 4, and plus 2 can be written as only 2. Now I am solving this. It's very easy. 3 raised to the power 2 means 3 has 2 times. 3 into 3 we get 9, minus 2 raised to the power 3. So 2 has 3 times. 2 into 2 into 2 we get 8. Divide 4 raised to the power 2. 4 into 4 we get 16. Now we have to do solve the bracket. 9 minus 8 we get 1. And divide can be written as also 1 by. So 16 is as it is. So answer is what? 1 by 16. It's very simple. So please make a note. Now I am doing question X from the exercise 12.1. So the question number 1, if we have to do evaluate part 1. 3 raised to the power negative 2. Again the power is negative. You have to move, whether we have to move numerator to denominator or denominator to numerator. It is present in what? Numerator, because if there is no term is specified in the denominator, we have to use as 1. So we have to make it power positive. So to move into the denominator part. So it becomes 1 divided by 3 raised to the power, sign will be changed. Negative 2 becomes positive 2. So this is simply can be written as 3 raised to the power 2. And you know 3 has 2 times. So 3 into 3 we get 9. So the answer is what? 1 upon 9. This is the answer. It's very simple. Now look at the second part. Again the power is negative. So you have to move it same in the denominator part. So this becomes 1 divided by negative 4 raised to the power negative 2 becomes positive 2. So this can also be written as 1 upon negative 4 raised to the power 2, because positive 2 can be written as simply 2. Now the exponent is negative and the power is even, so negative sign can be removed. So we get what? 4 raised to the power 2, and 4 raised to the power 2 means 4 has 2 times. 4 into 4. So the answer is what? 1 as it is, and 4 raised to the power 2 is 16. So answer is what? 1 upon 16. Now look at the third part. Again the term in terms of P by Q, and the power is negative. Do reciprocal to get the positive power. So this becomes what? 2 by 1, and the sign of the power becomes positive 5. And positive 5 can be written as simply 2 by 1. Means 2, if we divide 2 by 1, we get the 2. So 2 raised to the power 5. And you know 2 has 5 times. So what's the answer? 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. We get 32. This is the final answer. So please make a note. Now please look at question number 2 part 1. minus 4 raised to the power 5 divide minus 4 raised to the power 8, and you can write in the another form, because we can write minus 4 raised to the power 5 and this divide can be written as like this. So we get minus 4 raised to the power 8. Again look at this, exponent is same, so power gets subtract. So we get what? Minus 4 raised to the power 5 minus 8. So we get minus 4 raised to the power negative 3. Again the power is negative, we have to move in the denominator part. In that case it becomes positive 3. And you can also write it as, because exponent is negative and the power is odd, so negative comes out of the bracket. So we get 4 raised to the power 3. This is our answer. Now do solve this. This is what? This indicates basically 1 has 2 times and 2 raised to the power 3 also has 2 times, or simply you have to do solve further. 1 2 raised to the power 3 means 2 has 3 times, 2 into 2 into 2 means 8. You get 8 raised to the power 2. Now what's this indicate that 1 has power 2 and 8 is also has power 2. So 1 into 1 we get 1. Now 8 into 8 we get 64. So our answer is what? 1 by 64. So please make a note. Now please look at the board. Question number 2 part 3. Minus 3 raised to the power 4 multiply 5 by 3 raised to the power 4. Again what we have noticed? You have noticed power is same. So what's the answer is? If the power is same, exponent gets multiplied. So in this what we have to do? Exponent gets multiplied. So minus 3 multiply 5 by 3 and power remains same. Now you get it, cancel out, 3 ones are 3, 3 ones are 3. Now this negative comes as it is, 1 into 5 we get 5 divided by 1, the whole raised to the power 4. So this can also be right as 5 by 1 is basically 5. So minus 5 raised to the power 4. Now the exponent is negative, power is even, 4 is even. So negative is removed. So we get 5 raised to the power 4. This is our answer. Or you can solve it 5 into 5 into 5 into 5. What is answer? 625. So you can write it in this form also, and you can write 625 also. Now look at the fourth part. In this what? 3 raised to the power negative 7, and this divide can be written in terms of like this, 3 raised to the power negative 10 multiply 3 raised to the power negative 5. Now look at this, exponent is same but it is in form of division, so power gets be subtract. So we get what? Exponent is as it is and power gets subtract. Minus 7 minus power is what? Minus 10, and this term is as it is, 3 raised to the power negative 5. So now do very carefully, minus 7 minus plus 10 multiply 3 raised to the power negative 5. Now 3 minus 7 plus 10 we get 3 multiply 3 raised to the power negative 5. Please again look, the exponent is same and the terms are in multiply. So what's the answer? If the exponent is same, power will be add. So what's the answer is? 3 raised to the power 3 plus minus 5, because we have to add 3 and minus 5, so we have to use plus. Now plus minus is what? Minus. So what's the answer? 3 raised to the power 3 minus 5, which is equal to 3 raised to the power 3 minus 5 is what? Minus 2. So make it positive. How we can make positive? Make it in denominator form. So we get 1 upon 3 raised to the power 2, and final answer is what? 1 upon में 9. So 1 upon में 9 is our final answer. So please make a note. Now look at the question number 2, part 5th. 2 raised to the power negative 3 multiply minus 7 raised to the power negative 3. Again power is same, so exponent gets multiplied. So the answer is what? 2 multiply with minus 7 and the power remains same. Now what's the answer? 2 into minus 7 we get minus 14 raised to the power negative 3, and we can make it positive by moving into the denominator part. So this becomes negative 14 and the power becomes positive 3, and positive 3 can be simply written as 3. Now again the power is odd and the exponent is negative, so negative comes out of the bracket. So answer is what? Negative 1 upon 14 raised to the power 3. This is the answer. Now look at the question number 3. Find out the value. Part 1. 3 raised to the power 0. Again, you know what's the rule. If you have any exponent that has a power 0, it should be 1. Whatever the exponent, if the power is 0, it means it is equal to 1. So 3 raised to the power 0 is 1. So we can write it as 1 plus. Now what we have to do? 4 raised to the power negative 1. Make it positive by moving into the denominator part. So this becomes positive 1. And 2 raised to the power 2 means 2 into 2. So we get 4. Now we have to do solve. I am solving here. 1 plus 1 by 4 raised to the power 1 means 4. Multiply by 4. And this term is what? In LCM form. We have to do LCM. Now make it as rational. Now what's the LCM of 1 and 4 is? 4. 4 into 1, 4. 1 into 1, 1. So we multiply this 4. This is what? 4 plus 1, 5. Divide by 4. Multiply by 4. 4 is cancelled out with 4. 4 1 is 4. Now 5 into 1, 5. So answer is what? Answer is 5. So please make a note. Now look at the part 2. 2 raised to the power negative 1 multiply 4 raised to the power negative 1. The whole multiply with divide 2 raised to the power negative 2. First we have to do make the power as a positive. In this 2 raised to the power negative 2 can be written as 1 upon 2 raised to the power 1. We move it into the denominator part. Same here. What we have to do? Move it into the denominator part. 4 raised to the power 1. The power gets positive. Same here. 2 raised to the power negative 2. It becomes 2 raised to the power positive 2. It's very simple. Now to solve, 1 upon 2 raised to the power 2 means 2. Multiply 1 upon 4 raised to the power 4. Divide 1 upon 2 raised to the power 2 means 2 into 2, 4. Now to multiply 1 into 1, 1 and 2 into 4, 8. Divide 1 by 4. And you know what we have to do? Write 1 by 8 divide 1 by 4. And you know if the terms in the denominator it gets reciprocal. So we get what? 1 by 8 multiply it gets reciprocal 4 by 1. Now you can cancel out 4 1s are 4, 4 2s are 8. Now 1 into 1, 1 and 2 into 1, 2. So the answer is what? 1 by 2. So please make a note. Now this is the part 3rd. 1 by 2 raised to the power negative 2, 1 by 3 raised to the power negative 2 1 by 4 raised to the power negative 2. Again the term is in terms of P by Q. Do reciprocal and sign will be positive. So what's the answer is 2 by 1. The power gets positive 2. Same here, 3 by 1 and power becomes positive. Same here, it becomes 4 by 1. The power gets positive. Now again 2 by 1 simply can be written as 2 raised to the power 2. Same here, 3 by 1 simply can be written as 3. Same, 4 raised to the power 2. Now 2 raised to the power 2 means 4. 3 square means 3 into 3, 9. And 4 into 4 means 16. So 16 plus 4 plus 9, what we get? 29. So this is our answer. Please make a note. Now look at the part 4. 3 raised to the power negative 1 plus 4 raised to the power negative 1 plus 5 raised to the power negative 1, and the whole term has a power of 0. You know, the term exponent, if the term exponent has a power 0, it should be 1. So you can use directly as a 1, or you can do further solve and then after write as a 1. It's very easy, it's convenient to your teacher. As your teacher do, you can do it. So I am doing solving because I know the answer is 1 because the power is 0, but I try to do solve some step. 3 raised to the power negative 1, it can be written as in terms of 3 raised to the power 1 positive. Same here, this can also be written as 4 raised to the power 1. Same here, this can also be written as 5 raised to the power 1. Because we move negative power, make it positive. And you know, 3 raised to the power 1 means 3. Same, 1 by 4 plus 1 by 5, a whole raised to the power 0. Now you can do further solve. What's the LCM of 3, 4 and 5 is what? 16. So do this, we get 20 plus 15 plus 12. Now what's the answer is 47 divided by 60 raised to the power 0, which is 1. You can do it directly as a 1 also. The answer is also correct, because if the exponent has a power 0, the answer should be 1. Now look at the second part is what? In this exponent is minus 2 by 3 and it has the power minus 2, and the whole term also has a power. So power raised to the power means power gets multiplied. So what I have to write? Exponent is as it is and the power gets multiplied. Minus 2 multiply 2. It gives us what? Minus 2 by 3 as it is. Minus 2 into 2, we get minus 4. Again, the power is negative. So you do reciprocal the term P by Q. So it becomes 3 by 2 and negative remains same. Now it becomes what? Positive. Now look at the term is exponent is negative and power is even. So negative sign will be removed. So we can write it as 3 by 2 raised to the power 4. Now 3 raised to the power 4 means 3 into 3 into 3 into 3. We get 81. And 2 into 2 into 2 we get 16. So what's the answer is 81 by 16. So please make a note. Now look at the question. 8 raised to the power negative 1, 5 raised to the power 3 divided by 2 raised to the power negative 4. It means all the exponent has a negative power. So make it positive. In this it is in form of numerator. Make it into the denominator form. So this 2 raised to the power negative 4, it goes to the numerator, it becomes positive. Same here, it goes to the denominator, it becomes positive. Same here, this is also this remains same because in this power has positive sign. So what I did, I take this 2 raised to the power negative 4 on the numerator and 8 raised to the power negative 1 to the denominator. It's very simple. Now do solve. 2 raised to the power 4 means 2 into 2 into 2 into, or you can write further very simple. This is exponent and base form. This is also exponent and base form. And 8 can also be written as in terms of exponent and power, 2 into 2 into 2. So this can be written as 2 raised to the power 3. Now please look, exponent is same and the terms in divide form, so power gets subtract. So we get 2 raised to the power 4 minus 3 multiply 5 raised to the power 3. To solve, 2 raised to the power 4 minus 3 1 and 5 raised to the power 3 means 5 into 5 into 5, we get 125. So what's the answer? 2 into 125. So answer is what? 250 is your answer. Now look at the second part. Again the power is negative, so make it positive. So this becomes 1 by 5 raised to the power 1. This also becomes 2 raised to the power 1. And this also becomes 6 raised to the power 1. Now the all terms are what? In terms of multiply. Firstly, you have to remove the power 1. It simply can be written as 1 by 5, 1 by 2, and this is simply 1 by 6. Now do multiply. 5 into 2, 10. 10 into 2, 60. And 1 into 1 into 1, answer is 1. So what's the answer is 1 by 60. So please make a note. Now look at the question number 5. Find out the value of m for which this 5 raised to the power m divide 5 raised to the power negative 3 is equal to 5 raised to the power 5. It's very simple. You have to do same step. Firstly, I have to write 5 raised to the power m. This divide can be written in terms of like this, 5 raised to the power negative 3, which is equal to 5 raised to the power 5. Now the exponent is same, 5 is same, and the power gets subtract. So what's the answer is 5m minus 3. So this remains as it is, 5 raised to the power 5. Now solve this. 5 negative becomes positive, we get m plus 3, which is equal to m5 raised to the power 4. Now do equating, because again in this we get a sign equal. So the exponent is same, then power should be equal. In this exponent is 5 is same, so power should be equal. It means it implies m plus 3 is equal to what? 5. Now move 3 on the right hand side, it becomes negative 3. So we get 2. So what's the answer? M is equal to 2. Please make a note. Now look at the question number 6, part 1. 1 by 3 raised to the power negative 1, negative 1 by 4 raised to the power negative 1, the whole raised to the power negative 1. Again the form in terms of p by q, and power is negative. So how we do make positive power? By just reciprocal the term. So what's the answer is? I can write it as 1 by 3 can be written as 3 by 1, and the power becomes positive. Same here, 1 by 4 can be written as 4 by 1, the power becomes positive 1, the whole power is negative 1. So the what's the answer? 3 by 1 is what? 3 raised to the power 1 minus 4 by 1 raised to the power 4. 4 by 1 we get negative 1. So this is what? 3 raised to the power 1 means 3 minus 4 raised to the power 1, 4 raised to the power negative 1. So this can also be written as 3 minus 4 minus 1. The whole power is negative 1. So we can make it positive if we take it into the denominator part. Again the power is positive and the exponent is negative. So check the power. Power is odd. 1 is odd. So negative comes out of the bracket. So negative 1 by 1. So what's the answer is? Negative 1. Now look at the second part is what? In this what? No term is specified. you have to write all the terms, because this indicates that 5 raised to the power negative 7, also 8 raised to the power negative 7. So do separate power. So this can be written as 5 raised to the power negative 7. Same here, 8 raised to the power negative 7. Same here, or you can make it positive first, then it's very easy to solve. It is also in terms of p by q and the power is negative, so do reciprocal first. We get 8 by 5 raised to the power 7 multiply 5 by 8 raised to the power 4. Now do separate the power. 8 raised to the power 7 divide 5 raised to the power 7 multiply, same here, 5 raised to the power 4 and 8 raised to the power 4. Before to further solve, please make a note first, because I am going to rub such question. Now please do solve. In this, please make a look very careful. 8 raised to the power 7. Again the 8 raised to the power 4. It is in terms of divide. Exponent is same, so power gets subtract. So what's the answer? 8 raised to the power 7 minus 4. Same here. 5. Exponent is same. Again the power gets subtract. 4 minus 7. Now what's the answer? 8 raised to the power 7 minus 4. 3. Multiply 5 raised to the power 4 minus 7 minus 3. Now you can make it positive by doing it to make to the denominator part. So 8 raised to the power 3. If we take this term to the denominator part, it becomes positive 3. Now what is 8 into 8 into 8? You can write it as 5, 1, 2, and 5 into 5 into 5, you can write it in terms of 1, 2, 5. So answer is what? 5 and 2 divided by 1 to 5. Please make a note. Now look at the question number 7 part 1. 25 raised to the multiply t raised to the power negative 4. Same 5 raised to the power negative 3 multiply 10 multiply t raised to the power minus 8. Step 1 is what? You have to write all the terms as a, try to make it same, and also write all the terms in terms of exponent and power. So 25 can be written as 5 into 5, and 5 into 5 means 5 raised to the power 2. So 25 can be written as 5 raised to the power 2, t raised to the power negative 4 as it is. Now 5 raised to the power negative 3, but 10, there is no term as a common, try to make it as common. 10 can be written as 2 into 5, so I am writing 2 into 5. If no power is specified, it means the power is 1. And the same is t raised to the power minus 8. Now to solve, please. 5 raised to the power 2 multiply t raised to the power minus 4. I am solving the denominator first. Again the power is negative 3 and 1, and the exponent is same. So exponent is same, power gets add. So what's the answer? 5 raised to the power negative 3 plus 1, and this 2 as it is, and multiply t raised to the power minus 8 as it is. Now to further solve, 5 raised to the power 2 multiply t raised to the power minus 4 divide. This is 5 minus 3 plus 1 minus 2 multiply 2 multiply t raised to the power minus 8. Now all the terms are different. Now we have to use numerator and denominator terms. Look at this. Exponent is same, so power gets subtract. So we get 5 raised to the power 2 minus 2 minus what? 2 minus minus 2. Same here, multiply t raised to the power minus 4. Exponent tt is same, so power gets again subtract. Minus 4 minus minus 8, and there is no pairing with 2, so 2 remains same. Now please further solve. 5, negative negative becomes positive, so 2 plus 2 becomes 4. Same here, minus 4, negative negative becomes positive, so minus 4 plus 8, we get plus 4. Divide by 2. 5 raised to the power 4 means 5 into 5 into 5 into 5, it means 625. And t raised to the power 4 divided by 2. So this is our final answer. Please make a note. Now please look at the question number 7 part 2. Some of the terms are in exponent and power, but some terms are not in terms of exponent and power. First step is to make it all terms as a exponent and power. So I am going make it as 125, and 125 can be written as 5 into 5 into 5. So 5 raised to the power 3. So I am writing 3 raised to the power minus 5 multiply. Again you have to make it factor, so that you have to do same exponent and same power. So 10 can be written as how? 10 can be written as 2 into 5 raised to the power negative 5 remains same. Same here, 125 can be written as 5 raised to the power 3. Same here, this is same, 5 raised to the power negative 7 multiply 6. Again 6 can be written as 2 into 3. So 2 into 3 raised to the power negative 1. If you get any term, exponent is large term, you have to split to make it as smallest to smallest term. So because 10 is largest term, so you have to split it 2 into 5. Same, 6 is large, you can make it split 2 into 3. So second step is what? You have to try to do split, make it as smallest term. Now solve this. 3 raised to the power negative 5 multiply, if there is, please make it 2 into 5 raised to the power negative 5. It means 2 also has a power of negative 5 and 5 also has a power of negative 5. So this can be written as 2 raised to the power negative 5 multiply 5 raised to the power negative 5. Now this is multiply 5 raised to the power 3 divide 5 raised to the power negative 7. Same here, 2 into 3 raised to the power negative 5. So this means 2 has also power negative 5 and 3 also has a power negative 5. Now try to do combine. Firstly we have to do combine the terms, numerator separately and denominator separately. Now look at the term 3. There is no other terms in terms of 3. So we have to write as it is, 3 raised to the power negative 5 multiply 2. There is no remaining other terms. So we have to write 2 as a 2 raised to the power negative 5. Now make it, exponent is same, so power will be add. So what's the result? 5 raised to the power minus 5 plus 3. Same here, 5 there is no term 5, 2 there is no another term, 3 again there is no another term. So we have to write all the term as it is, 5 raised to the power negative 7, 2 raised to the power negative 5, 3 raised to the power negative 5. Now do further solve. 3 raised to the power negative 5 multiply 2 raised to the power negative 5 and 5 raised to the power minus 5 plus 3 minus 2 divide 5 raised to the power negative 7, 2 raised to the power negative 5 and 3 raised to the power negative 5. Now please look, 2 raised to the power negative 5, 2 raised to the power negative 5, it means these terms are same. So these are cancelled out. So this term is cancelled out. Now look at 3 and 3 in divide form. So power gets subtract. So what's the answer? 3 raised to the power minus 5 subtract minus 5. or you can check it same. Again the terms are same, 3 raised to the power minus 5, 3 raised to the power minus 5. So these are also cancelled out. Now look at this, these are different. 5, 5, exponents are same, power gets subtract. 5 raised to the power minus 2 minus 7. So this becomes what? 5 raised to the power minus 2 plus 7. This means 5 raised to the power 5. And 5 raised to the power 5 means 5 into 5 into 5 into 5, 3125. So answer is what? 3125 is the final answer. So please make a note. So we did complete exercise 12.1 and it's also examples. So I hope you like my video. If you really like my video, don't forget to subscribe, like and share it with your friends as much you can do. Now then I will prepare my next video for the exercise 12.2 very soon. You also press the bell icon button so you get automatically notification whenever I upload a new video. So thank you once again for watching my video from start to the end. We will meet very soon with a new video. Thank you once again.